Hello, today in this video I'll be showing you how to make green seasoning. First, you're gonna need your green onion, rosemary, parsley, thyme, oregano, a medium onion, garlic, olive oil, an empty jar, and salt. First, I'm going to show you the first method of how to remove the rosemary leaf from the stem, which is by plucking it one by one all the way to the top of it. It's simple, but it's a good, easy way to do it. But another method is to simply pull from the bottom, as you see here, all the way to the top. That's the method I use for like all of my herbs that I'm going to be blending into a seasoning. Then you just pull it off, and this is what you're left over with. And now I'm gonna slice some garlic cloves one by one. Just make sure that if you are not gonna cut it, just make sure that your food processor is big enough to handle it, because if not, it will ruin the processor in the end and you're gonna have to buy a new one. And then we're gonna go off with the thyme. Remember, top to bottom. You see? But with thyme, the stems are not so bad when it comes to blending in the processor, so don't worry about it. But this is just my preference. And now we're gonna slice our onion. Okay. And then you can turn it, and then you make a big slice in the middle. Just gonna make medium slices. Turn it, and then cut in the middle again. And now we're gonna cut the green onion. I'm just making some semi-thick chops to this green onion. And yes, I did use all of it that you see here. Make sure you don't cut your fingers, by the way. And now we're gonna deal with the oregano, top to bottom again, because you see the stem is thick, so that would definitely ruin your processor. But now we're gonna cut off the ends of our parsley, and then we're gonna make some chops into it. It doesn't matter, as long as it's cut through, it's fine. See? And now we're gonna wash all of our herbs. Wash well, wash well. This definitely does not take a long time. And now you're gonna add it into your processor. As you can see, I'm using a small one. That's why I cut the garlics in very small pieces. And now you're gonna add your olive oil. And then you're gonna put your lid on and blend it. Olive oil can also be used as a preservative. And now I'm gonna add salt to it. This is what it should look like. Blend it. And after you blend it, this should be your end result. Look how nice that is. And this is the finished product. Thank you so much for watching the video. I know it's been a while, but I promise I'll be making more videos. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And enjoy your lovely green seasoning. Thank you. Bye-bye.